Meteorologist TJ Del Santo live. Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar showing lots of snow, mostly just light snow working its way across the area, although there have been some reports of a dusting of fluffy snow here and there. But we're going to be seeing the snow intensity pick up over the coming hours, and we're actually expecting quite a bit in some parts. In fact, we have a winter storm warning in effect from now until 1 o'clock in the afternoon for the areas in pink, mainly well north and west of Providence. We have a winter weather advisory in effect until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning for the areas in this tannish color, which includes Providence, Kent, Washington County, and the East Bay of Rhode Island, as well as most of southeastern Massachusetts. The difference here is really the amount of snow that we're getting, expecting 6 inches or more of snow in the areas of pink, less than that in the areas south and east of Providence, but still enough that travel could become difficult throughout the course of the evening. Also have a wind advisory, not for mainland Rhode Island, but down along Block Island, we could be seeing some easterly wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Cape Cod and the islands in eastern Massachusetts may find some wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour, which could lead to some isolated power outages. Temperatures Arctic-like out there. It's a good setup for some snow. 16 in Smithfield, 18 in Providence, 19 Newport, New Bedford at 19 degrees. But these temperatures will actually be rising throughout the course of the evening and overnight. You can see the snow extending all the way back into Pennsylvania. In the warmer air, we're getting quite a bit of rain from southern New Jersey all the way down into the Carolinas. We have an area of low pressure that's going to be developing near Cape May, New Jersey throughout the course of the evening, and it will be working its way towards southern New England throughout the next 12 hours or so. Here's what I'm anticipating tonight. There's that area of low pressure after midnight working its way to the south of Long Island. Once that kind of gets going, we're going to be seeing any snow, which could become heavy for a little while later this evening, transition over to some sleet, some freezing rain, and eventually rain. Now, tomorrow morning around 7 o'clock, that low is sitting right on top of us, and we'll be seeing most of the area with plain old rain, even up into the northwestern part of the state. And then that area of low pressure scoots out into the Gulf of Maine for tomorrow afternoon, and we'll be left with sunshine, but some areas will have to be cleaning up after a pretty good amount of snow in some parts. Let's take a look at this hour by hour with our Futurecast. Now, here we are around 8 o'clock this evening. Notice the blue, quite a bit of snow out here, and it starts to get heavy after around 8 o'clock this evening. Now, here we are at 10 o'clock with periods of heavy snow up here in northern Rhode Island, maybe even out there in southeastern Mass as well. Around 1:30 Sunday morning, we're still dealing with mainly snow across the area, but notice the warmer air is beginning to take over along the south shore. Even the southern part of Connecticut, we're beginning to see a mixture of precipitation. Further into the night we go, the rain really taking over now, but areas north and west of Providence still holding on to some snow or a mixture of precipitation. Then after that, the warm air really takes over everywhere by 5:30 in the morning. Probably a plain rain. Wouldn't surprise me if there are pockets of freezing rain, especially north and west of Providence. There could be a period of heavy rain first thing tomorrow morning, and then they'll be out of here for the afternoon. Around 8:30 in the morning, it's done. In the afternoon, we're looking at sunshine. Overall, a pretty good day. All right, how much snow are we anticipating in Providence itself? Probably right around 5 or 6 inches of snow. Good portion of the area 4 to 6, say from Warwick and all the way back into northern part of Washington County and most of Bristol County, Massachusetts, 4 to 6 inches. Just north and west of Providence, about 5 to 8 inches expected here, and along the south shore a lot less, 2 to 4 inches. Now, most of this snow will be falling during the late evening and during the very early part of the day, early part of the morning on Sunday, which is good timing. Not a lot of people will be on the roadways during that time frame, so I guess there is some good here. Speaking of time frames, let's take a look at the timing. 5 to 8 p.m. Light snow will continue. 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Moderate to heavy snow will continue. That moderate to heavy snow will continue overnight, but begin to transition over to a mixture of precipitation, at least rain and some sleet. 3 a.m. or so, a good portion of the area will probably already be in rain, and then any leftover mixture mixture of precipitation 3 to 7 a.m. will be turning over to all rain everywhere. And here's how your Sunday looks. So we're looking at some rain showers at 9 o'clock in the morning, sunshine for the afternoon with temperatures falling in the afternoon, about 40 degrees.